Okay, so today we are going to learn about properties of exponents. And there's a particular property that we're going to learn about. Properties of something are what it's all about. Like your properties are that you have brown hair, or your properties are that you have gray eyes or blue eyes. Those are the things about you. So we're going to learn the properties of exponents, and the particular one we're going to talk about today is the zero exponent, Z-E-R-O, zero exponent. So we're going to learn how the zero exponent works. Okay, and this is a very, very easy one, because if I give you a number like X and then raise it to the power of 0, X is a variable, but it's a number in algebra because it represents a number. Any number to the 0 power is always equal to 1. So X to the 0 is 1. If I give you M to the 0, it's still equal to 1. If I give you 53.8 to the 0, it's still equal to 1. If I have a fraction like 3/4 quantity to the 0 power, because the parenthesis around the 3/4 says that everything in there is to the 0 power, that's equal to 1. If I give you 0.28 quantity to the 0 power, it's equal to 1. If I give you 3,002 quantity to the 0 power, it's still equal to 1. So no matter what the number is, if it's taken to the 0 power, it's equal to 1. But I want to point something out to you. Suppose I gave you 3m to the 0 power. Well, this means 3 times the value of m to the 0 power. So that's 3 times 1, because m to the 0 is 1, and 3 times 1 is 3. Now let's take a second look at this. The number that has the 0 power on it is the m. The 3 does not have a 0 power. So the m to the 0 gives me 1. But the 3 doesn't have that power, so the 3 is just 3. So this says 3 times the value of m to the 0. Since the value of m to the 0 is equal to 1, this is 3 times 1, which is 3. Okay, let's do another one. Suppose I give you 2kj to the 0 power. What would that be equal to? Only the j to the 0 is 1. So that's equal to 2 times k times 1, which is equal to 2k. You understand? Only the number to the 0 power is equal to 1. The power only relates to the number whose shoulder it's sitting on. And I want to point something else out to you. There's something that is undefined, and our mathematician back there, he wants to explain that to you. So go right ahead, sir. Yes, you're on.
What do you say?
Okay, so our mathematician wants to explain to you that if you have 0 to the power of 0, that is called what, Mr. Mathematician? Undefined. Undefined. Can you tell them a little more about undefined?
Undefined means you cannot it's just undefined. There's no definition.
Right, no definition, because defined means tell you what it's about. Undefined means don't tell you. So there, it can not be explained. So undefined. So anytime you see 0 to the 0, just cross it out, say it's not going to happen. It's kind of like I say, Daisy, I want you to get up and walk to the back of the room by not walking to the back of the room. Hello, you can't do that.
I cannot explain why Daisy's eyes are so green. You know what I'm saying?
Well, if they're not green, that's definitely undefined. Okay, so what we see here is that any number to the 0 power is undefined. So that's not gonna happen. Okay, but no, not any number to the 0, sorry, 0 to the 0 is undefined, but any number to the 0 is equal to 1. So are we good? ¿Hay algunas preguntas?
No.
Huh? No questions? Eliana? No? Okay, let's end it.